Thank you very much for joining us here. Like always, lots that's lined up. But let's begin the broadcast with big news that we're tracking as far as Pakistan violating ceasefire again is concerned. This is the fifth day consecutive violation, in fact, violation in Baramulla and Kupwara. Ceasefire violation also in Aknoor, and Indian Army retaliates effectively. Alright, so that's big news essentially that's coming in. What we're given to understand at the moment is that while we've looked at continuous days of Pakistan violating ceasefire, this is the fifth consecutive day of the violation. Now, this in specific areas include Baramulla as well as Kupwara. The ceasefire violation is also in Aknoor. So details now emerging about the different areas in which we are looking at this violation. But important to note that the Indian Army has retaliated effectively. We saw a similar situation yesterday as well, which is why we're pointing out that this is the fifth day of consecutive violation that we're looking at, with Pakistan once again violating ceasefire. Alright, as we speak about big news that's coming in, let's also tell you how India has slammed Pakistan in UN. In fact, India raises Khwaja Asif's admission. What we're given to understand is that India has stated with very sharp words that world can't turn a blind eye, says open confession surprises no one, exposes Pakistan as a rogue state. In fact, mincing no words, India has also said that rogue state fuels global terror. So in the larger scheme of things, what we're looking at is a very sharp reaction of India slamming Pakistan in UN. India has raised Khwaja Asif's admission, where while speaking about the remarks that Asif had made earlier by stating that the Indian viewpoint is that the world cannot turn a blind eye towards Pakistan. Open confession, which was made in Asif's admission, surprises no one. Moreover, what India has made of that is that it exposes Pakistan as a rogue state, and rogue state that is fueling global terror. Alright, we'll track both those big developments as far as big news that has come in. But for the moment, let's shift our focus.